Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a product that's essential for pet owners and anyone who wants a clean and odor-free environment. The Arm & Hammer Easy Tie Waste Bags. These waste bags are designed with convenience and cleanliness in mind. They come in a pack of 75, each infused with activated baking soda to tackle odors effectively. One standout feature is their durability. They're 2 times thicker than standard grocery bags, ensuring no leaks or tears during use. This makes them perfect for handling pet waste or even for other uses like disposing of dirty diapers or car trash. Made from natural materials and featuring an easy tie design, these bags are not just effective but also eco-friendly. The blue color and fresh scent add to the overall user experience. Arm & Hammer is known for its commitment to quality and odor control across their range of pet care products. From litter to waste management solutions, they've got you covered. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to handle pet waste or other trash, the Arm & Hammer Easy Tie Waste Bags are an excellent choice. They deliver on their promises and offer great value for money. If you're interested in trying these out, I've left a link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.